Lake Succession Dam, Lake Russell. I love to get on it every now and then. 63 years old, my mind says I'm 30. Check out that road too. $25 in the back, $20 in the front. Let's check out that little side road right there. Oh no, it don't go far. It stops right down there. So let's continue. A little rainy, wet. Hey, here comes a Jeep. I don't know if you saw my last video, but if you did, you'll know why I was just a little bit nervous flying the drone this time. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. It's free. That looked like a bear trap. Ain't no bears down here except roamers in the summer. Look at all the hunting blinds. That's a hunting blind. That's what those were, hunting blinds. Little creek in this bottom. There went a deer. Don't know if you got a chance to see that. I mean, it was flying through there across the road. It's gone. I tell you, when you're doing this, you forget about everything. All you got on your mind is what's in front of you. Wow, look what this comes out to. What a view, huh? Which way to go? Let me look at the map. Boy, a lot of deer stands around here. I did notice that both sides of the road's posted. And this is a public road. No gate, no posted signs except for on each side of the road. Pretty field. Chicken houses. You can see a long way. We're up on a little hill right here. You can see quite a ways through there. This farm here's got a heck of a view. Tate Road is what that road that cut off to the left right there. That was the intersection of Tate Road and whatever road I'm on right now. Just so you guys know, but this is just off the Scar route. I'm actually recording this track. So if you want to know where I'm at or I've been today, just let me know. That was a waste.